Assalamualaikum and good morning to my fellow friends and our lecturer. Okay. Firstly, I will introducing myself. My name is Muhammad Ikram bin Bizanuddin and I am from Group 9. Okay. Today I will present our team learning module that we have been doing for this assignment. Okay. In the process making this module, our team have been discussed so many times about what subject or what the thing that we want to emphasize in this learning module, such as bahasa Melayu, bahasa English, and mathematics. Okay. As the result that our team has been discussed, we have chosen the early mathematics in our learning module. Okay. For our learning module, we have made 3 activity that have individual purpose, and each of the activity has one assessment for make sure that children has sudah dapat memahami, has understand the what the activity means. Okay. For activity number 1, we'll be doing the purpose of the activity number 1 is to make sure the children know the number according to their order and the quantity of the number. For example, number 5. For example, is number 5. Is the 5 things or 5 marbles, such as that. Okay. For the second activity, we will be doing the purpose of second activity is we'll make sure the children know the concept of addition and know how to use the addition. Okay. For the final activity, we will do the purpose is to make sure the children know the subtraction function and the concept as well. Okay. Now I will start with I will tell all of you about the activity number 1. Okay, now I will tell you all about the activity number 1. Okay. Activity number 1, we are doing the counting number activity. Okay. As you can see this board as 1 till 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 20 on this board. Okay. The activity is very simple. Firstly, we will count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 till 20 with the children. This is to make sure the children know the number, the sebutan, the pronunciation of the number as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then after they have speak all the pronunciation correctly of the number till the 20, we will take the as you can see, I make a little sprinkle or cutting paper. You can also doing by the circle or else. Well, for me, I doing the sprinkle for the second activities. Okay. For the we have count the number on this board, then we will put the sprinkle according to the quantity of the number. For example, as you can see is okay, this is number 1. I have put number 1 sprinkle on this box. For example, and then we look at number 2 sprinkle, 3 sprinkle, 4 and 4 sprinkle, and so on. This is for the purpose for the activity is for to make sure we recognize the ability of children to know the quantity of the of each number. For each number 1 till 20. Okay. For the assessment, okay, we will given this assessment. As you can see, the assessment is assessment about the order of the order of the number. Okay, for the second activity, I have said earlier that the purpose of second activity to make sure children know the concept of the addition and know how the addition works. Okay, for this activity we use the Golden 8 BBM for this activity. Okay, firstly, to use this BBM is quite easy. Firstly, we will turn this wheel around to find the number that we can put on this spot. Okay, for example, okay, now we will turn the, okay, as shown. Okay, the wheel has shown number 1. Okay, now we will find the number 1 that in this cardboard. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, we will put the number 1 on this front. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's see. Okay, and then what we're doing after we have found the number 1, we put an egg and put on the hole to make to this hole. Okay, this show is number 1. Okay, and then we will turn the wheel again to find the second number that we will add the number 1 from. Okay, this show, the number shows number 4. Okay, and now we will find the number 4 in this cardboard. Okay, this number 4. Okay, after we have found the number 4, sorry, my leg feel numb. Okay, we continue. We will put the 4 eggs in the hole. Okay, 1, it's moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after we find the 4. After we find the 4 eggs in here, and then we will make sure we will instruct the children to count how many eggs do we have in here. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the quantity of the egg in here has 5 eggs, so we will find the number 5 card. Okay, this. Then we put this on the end of the equation. Okay. Now we will instruct the children to say the equation. For example, okay, 1 plus 4 equal to 5, and then the children, we will instruct the children to follow our speaking to the equation. Okay, now I will tell you about the assessment for the activity number 2. Okay, this is assessment for activity number 2. As we can see, is activity for the addition activity. And now I will tell you about the final activity. As earlier I say that the final activity, the purpose for the final activity is to make sure children know the concept of the subtraction or know how the subtraction works. Okay, all we need is only bowl and a piece of candy. Okay, as you can see, I give the children this bowl and make sure the children know not how much quantity of the candy in this bowl. After the children tell you the quantity of this bowl, then you pick, for example, you pick the candy. For example, this in this bowl has six candy, and I will pick two, and then I will ask the children how much I pick from your bowl, and if for this example I have picked two, if the children tell you you have picked two, they correct. Okay, and then you ask them more question about how much left candy has in this bowl. If he's if he or him or him or he answer correctly, for example the student answer four teacher, I have only four children four candy left. Okay, that's mean that um that's for the assessment. For assessment, we will doing this. We will be using this. Okay, that's all for my group presentation, and I hope that our learning module can be used, can benefit the parents that want to teach their own children about early mathematics, and our learning module can be used until for the future. Okay, that's all. Thank you, and stay safe.